Okay, as you may have seen on previous video, the old battery we had for the bike is dead. We did not manage to fix it, so we bought a new one, which is this Exit. Same thing, 6 amps, 12 volts. And now we're gonna prepare this one for the bike, and it comes with the Exit you have to add. And here's the battery, and then it comes with a manual and the bolts to attach the plugs, the wiring for on the bike. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we will unwrap the plastic from this acid like this. We're gonna remove this cover, and as you see, this is the cover that after is gonna go on the battery, and you got this like metal tape. Don't pinch it, leave it like this, and there's here some instructions. Place the battery on a level surface and remove the sealed tape, which is the red one. Get rid of the plastic film around the acid bottle and align the bottle with acid filling opening. Push the acid bottle down. This will break the seals and the acid will pour into the cells. After filling, slowly remove the acid bottle from the battery and clean any acid on the outside of the battery with a dry cloth. Place the sealing plugs in the filling holes. Push the sealing plugs until it is level with the top surface of the battery. The fill-up is completed. Be sure that bubbles are generated in all 6 cells of the acid bottle. If no bubbles are coming up, tap the bottom of the acid bottle several times. Okay. And very important, do not remove the acid bottle from the battery until all the electrolyte has flow out. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove the sealed thing, which is in place with the fitted tape. So we're going to remove this out. We're going to align this here. This is going to puncture through that. We're going to align this here. I'm not sure if you're seeing it quite well, but I'm just going to press it down. And it's not easy. Fucking hell. How hard can this be? But damn it, you really have to push it hard. Holy Christ. Okay, the acid is going inside the battery. After it's there, we're gonna let it settle down for like half an hour or so. And after that, we'll remove it and put the cap on. Okay, some of these are not going completely down, so I have to like squeeze them, and that makes the acid go inside the battery completely. think it's all in. Okay, it's been more than half an hour since I've powered the Axid into the battery, so now I'm gonna remove this carefully. Empty acid bottles removed, and I'm gonna clean anything that might be around here, dirt, and I'm gonna place the cover. And they say this is once in a lifetime, you don't open it again. So just pressing it down. It goes pretty snug. And that's it. Now let me see how much voltage do I get on that. Got here negative and positive, and it is giving me 12.6 volts. Not sure if you can see. I'm moving the thing, so if I don't move it, it gives me 12.6. So I think it is fully charged. I don't even think I have to charge it, but now I'm just gonna let it sit aside for 12 hours or more, and then install it to the bike. Okay.